Along this cool, humid coastline, massive swiftlet houses rise from the ground. Inside these closed, silent walls, swiftlets come to build their nests, leaving behind. Temperature, humidity, and light are strictly controlled, creating an ideal environment for swiftlets to live and nest. Dried saliva strands clings tightly to the wood. The core.
Every nest is removed with slow, precise movements, a skill that takes years of practice to master. The worker must take the nest, but preserve the nesting spot, so the swiftlets can return and build again.
Right at the swiftlet house, nests are roughly sorted, a first step that already determines which product line they will become later.
Detailed records of every harvested batch build the foundation for later traceability.
Every tray of nests is carefully covered and labeled, protected from dust and external contamination before leaving the swiftlet house.
Immediately after harvesting, the nests are moved into cold transport, minimizing exposure time to outside air. Low storage temperature keeps the nests fresh and slows down the growth of any unwanted microorganisms.
With paperwork complete and temperature secured, the journey from swiftlet house to processing plant begins.
From natural nesting grounds, the bird nests are brought into a closed industrial chain, where they will become a nutritious drink.
A bird's nest drink factory built to international food safety standards is the next destination of each harvested batch.
Every incoming shipment is checked thoroughly. Documents, origins, and transport conditions.
A quick sensory check helps evaluate the initial quality of the raw nests before processing. All data is digitized and linked to the batch code, forming a complete traceability record from farm to factory.
The nest trays are stored in a dedicated chilled room for raw materials, waiting their turn to move into the cleaning and refining
and flow. Before touching any nest, all personnel must strictly follow hygiene procedures to maintain food safety.
From their hands to their uniforms, every contact point must be hygienic to protect the final product.
The air shower removes dust and loose particles, ensuring only clean personnel enter the nest cleaning room.
This is where raw nests are transformed, from messy, feather-filled clumps into pristine, clean.
Each tray is weighed precisely to manage yield and plan production volume accurately. This data feeds directly into our traceability system.
Soaking in clean water allows the tightly bound nest to soften and open up, preparing for feather removal. This crucial for
large impurities are removed early, easing the workload for the meticulous handpicking that follows. This initial cleaning is crucial.
The semi-soft nest is drained just enough to make fibers easy to separate and handle, achieving the ideal moisture.
Under the cold inspection light, even the smallest feather or dark speck stands out against the translucent edges.
The feather picking step demands extreme patience and focus. It is craftsmanship more than simple factory work.
Even in a modern factory, this step still relies on human hands to achieve the highest level of cleanliness.
By separating the nest into fine strands, the final drink will show beautiful, long fibers floating in every bottle. Each batch is washed multiple times with clean water until it reaches the factory's purity standard.
All water used in the process is RO purified, preventing contamination from minerals or outside impurities.
The clean nests are drained to an ideal moisture level, ready for precise weighing and formulation. This precise draining ensures optimal.
Accurate weight control ensures that the amount of nest in each batch, and later in each bottle, remains consistent. This ensures every
Each container of clean nest is clearly identified and physically separated from the raw material area.
From the cleaning room, the refined nests move directly to cooking, minimizing waiting time and exposure. Every movement.
The factory layout is designed as a one-way flow, preventing cross-contamination between incoming and outgoing.
This is the heart of the production line, where the delicate nests are turned into rich, aromatic bird's nest.
Every cooking cycle is pre-programmed, yet engineers remain on watch to fine-tune when necessary. This human
Before each new batch, the equipment is carefully checked to ensure safety and consistency. This rigorous
The refined nest now enters the kettle, ready to blend with water and rock sugar. This careful placement ensures optimal mixing and cooking consistency.
Only refined, food-grade rock sugar is used, measured precisely to create a clean, gentle sweetness. Purified water is pumped in at the correct ratio, ensuring every drop of the final drink meets strict quality standards. Agitation speed is carefully set so that nest fibers do not break, preserving their natural length and chewy texture.
Spolafes. The temperature rises slowly following a programmed curve, avoiding thermal shock that could damage the nest structure. High. Each key temperature point and time interval is recorded, building a full production log for the batch. This rigorous documentation
Mid-cooking sampling allows the team to monitor doneness and sugar dissolution. This visual inspection is the first Brix. Brix measurement reveals the concentration of soluble solids, ensuring the sweetness matches the formulated target. This A stable pH helps the product remain consistent and safe throughout its shelf life. This ensures optimal preservation and prevents
Beyond numbers and meters, human sensory evaluation remains vital to confirm overall quality.
Cooking time can be flexibly tuned according to the characteristics of each batch of nest. This human expertise ensures
When the nest reaches the right doneness, the solution becomes clear and the strands turn soft, yet intact.
A holding phase keeps the solution in its ideal state for filling, without overcooking or degrading the nest.
Depending on the product line, safe and approved ingredients are added in controlled amounts, creating unique formulas.
This coarse filtration step removes any last remaining fragments or unwanted particles, ensuring a consistent.
From the kettle, the solution moves through closed pipes into a holding tank, never exposed directly to oceans. Only when all parameters fall within the safe, predefined range is the filling line allowed to start.
The next stage begins, turning this carefully prepared nest solution into finished, bottled products.
Here, high automation reduces direct human contact, enhancing efficiency and food safety.
Each bottle is not just packaging, but also a visible ambassador of the Bird's Nest brand. Their flawless design and clarity.
Before filling, every bottle is thoroughly washed with hot water to remove any remaining dust or contaminants. A burst of sterile air dries the bottles, ensuring the nest solution will not be diluted. This crucial step prevents
UV sterilization destroys any remaining microorganisms, raising the hygiene level before filling.
The nest solution is dispensed into each bottle with milliliter accuracy, controlled by high-precision filling pumps.
Inside every ball, nest fibers are distributed beautifully.
Sensors and smart controls keep the line running smoothly, minimizing waste and inconsistency. This
Caps are automatically fed and precisely positioned on top of each filled bottle. This perfect alignment ensures a secure and airtight seal for every single product. Capping torque is carefully calibrated to ensure airtight sealing without cracking glass. This perfect seal is vital for preserving freshness and extending shelf life.
Each sealed bottle is checked to confirm the closure is secure and leak-proof before it continues. This rigorous inspection.
Heat sterilization inside this tunnel is a critical step for eliminating harmful microorganisms and ensuring shelf stability.
Both temperature and holding time are tightly controlled to ensure safety while preserving flavor and nutrients.
This data is stored as proof that every batch has undergone proper thermal treatment. Our commitment to transparency.
Rapid cooling after sterilization prevents extended heat exposure and stabilizes the product structure. This ensures the
At this point, the nest drink inside each bottle is fully cooked, sterilized, and ready for final finishing. Every bottle is visually inspected,
combining human judgment with mechanical precision to reject any defects.
Any bottle that does not meet the standard is immediately removed, never reaching the packaging stage. This rigorous
Labels provide product information, ingredients, branding, usage instructions, and shelf life in a clear, attractive format.
Production and expiry dates are clearly and indelibly printed, giving consumers transparent information at a glance. This ensures full trace.
From raw nest, the product has now become a complete, visually polished bottle of bird's nest drink.
A final quality check confirms that every bottle matches the appearance and nest content expected of the brand.
Bottles are grouped into handy sets, making them easier to pack, ship, and display. This thoughtful packaging design ensures
Sturdy cartons protect the product against impacts during long-distance transportation. This robust packaging ensures the perishals. Once taped closed, each carton is considered fully packed and ready for palletization. This final seal guarantees the product's
Weight checks detect missing bottles or irregularities, ensuring that customers receive complete, correctly packed boxes.
These labels are essential for warehouse management and future batch tracing. Every carton becomes a data point, part of a...
Palletizing helps store and move large quantities of product efficiently and safely. This systematic approach ensures the stretch film stabilizes the pallet, protecting the cartons from dust, moisture, and shifting during transport. The finished goods warehouse holds the bird's nest drinks until they are dispatched to the market. Here, every pallet is
A digital warehouse system keeps track of exactly where each batch is stored, down to the specific pallet and rack.
Every outbound order is double-checked. Correct batch, correct quantity, correct destination. This ensures seamless delivery and unwavering quality for our customers. From the warehouse, the bird's nest drinks are loaded into refrigerated trucks to protect their quality during long trips.
The loading pattern is planned so cold air can flow evenly around every pallet, avoiding warm spots.
Each departing truck carries thousands of bottles of bird's nest drink to supermarkets, shops, and distributors across.
From the automated production line, the final products now appear on refrigerated shelves, ready to be chosen.
Consumers can immediately see the difference. Real nest strands and clear, honest information on the label. This transparency
Every sip of Dalton shrink. The journey of the bird's nest drink ends in the hands of the drinker, but the story of precision, care,